How to overlay picture in CapCut Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can overlay picture in CapCut Mobile. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, make sure your CapCut is up to date to the latest version. If it is, open it up, and after you're here, tap on the new video option to start a new project. Then select the video that you want to edit or the video that you're currently editing and add it. So after you've added the video, if you want to now add the picture in picture here, you should find an overlay option at the bottom toolbar. Tap on overlay, and from here tap on add overlay. Then you'll find yourself in this section again. Tap on the video that you want to add and then tap on the add button. After you've done that, you can now place it. You can crop the size, fix it, and if it's a video, it'll actually play alongside with the video that is on the background. So if I show you this, so they can see both of the videos playing. And yeah, that's how you do it. Now you can do this with the images as well. You can use images instead of your videos. Tap on the plus or add overlay option again. Find the picture that you want to add. Then you can tap on the add button. And you can add the picture. While the picture won't be moving like in the video, but it will be on the background or overlaid wherever you place it. After that, you can tap on the export button and export it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.